Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to publish or export your Smartsheet so that you can easily share important information with your stakeholders. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your data out of Smartsheet in a format that works for you, whether that's a quick export to Google Drive, a handy Excel sheet you can send via email, or even a live link that anyone can view online. So let's dive right in and make sure you can get your work seen by the right people. First things first, let's talk about exporting your sheet. In Smartsheet, you'll want to head up to the top left corner and click on File. From there, look for the Export option in the drop-down menu. Now, this is where Smartsheet really shines because you have several different ways to export your data depending on your needs. For example, if your company uses Google Drive, OneDrive, or even Box, you can select one of those as your export destination. This means your sheet goes straight to your preferred cloud storage, ready to share or collaborate further. It's like packing your notes into exactly the briefcase your team uses every day. But maybe your stakeholders prefer more traditional formats. No worries, Smartsheet lets you export directly as a Microsoft Excel file, a PDF, or even a Google Sheet. Exporting to Excel is perfect for those who want to dig into the numbers or use Excel's powerful formulas. A PDF is a great option when you want to preserve the look and feel of your sheet and make sure nothing can be changed. Imagine handing out a snapshot of your project exactly as it stands. And exporting to Google Sheets is fantastic for teams who love collaborating right in Google Workspace. Now, let's shift gears for a moment and talk about publishing your sheet using a live link. Over on the right side of your Smartsheet window, you'll see a little globe or publish icon. Just give that a click. This is where Smartsheet's Publish feature comes in handy if you want others to view or even interact with your sheet live on the web. But here's a quick heads up. Publishing is only available if you're on an upgraded plan or have a paid license. If you don't see the options, don't worry, you haven't done anything wrong, it's just a restriction based on your current subscription. If you do have access though, you'll find some pretty useful choices. You can publish your sheet as read-only HTML, which means anyone with the link can view the data but can't make changes. It's kind of like taping your project to the office wall for everyone to see but keeping the pen out of reach. There's also read-only full, where people can see everything but not touch it, and an edit by anyone mode if you want to invite contributions from a wider group. Finally, there's the calendar publishing option if you want to share date-based tasks as a public calendar. Once you toggle any of these options on, Smartsheet generates a unique publish link for you. You can view a preview to check how it looks, and it's super easy to copy and share that link with whomever you need, whether it's colleagues, clients, or anyone else who needs to stay in the loop. Just remember to double-check your sharing settings so you're comfortable with who can see or edit your sheet, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can export or publish your sheet in whatever format suits your stakeholders best. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have down in the comments, I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.